Hi and welcome to another edition of Morgoths Media Kitchen, where today I'm going to be making something nice and quick and simple, which is my smoky crab stick wraps.
Okay, so here you go, get yourself a bowl, get yourself some Hellmann's mayonnaise, some lovely Heinz ketchup, give that a little bit of a whiz up together as you can see there, so you get a nice pink consistency. Then you want to get yourself some lovely smoked paprika, that's where you get your smoky flavour from. Add a load of that on there, again give it a really good whiz up. You want to pop that to one side, get yourself some nice crab sticks. Now we're only going to need the one pack, so we put them to one side. Turn them over, cut there like this, get these out. Now what you want to be doing is ripping them to bits, stripping them. You get all different chunks and textures. You don't want them all stringy, but you want, just squish them down so you get chunks and bits. It's also about texture as well, not just flavour. There we go. Give it a little smush up. I'm not going to rip that one all the way through. There we go. Lovely. Give it a little bit of a whiz up. Guys and girls, after doing this you might want to wash your hands because people might question you. Right, so what you need to be doing is popping that in the bowl. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. I should have maybe got a bigger bowl. Well, let's make sure we pick up all these little flecks of crab sticks here. Made a bit of a mess here. Again, should have used a bigger bowl. But oh well. Right, get all these little bits up. There we go. Nearly done. Done. Right, so give that a bit of a whiz up again. Till we cover the majority of it like that. Pop that to one side. Now you want to get yourself a nice iceberg lettuce. And hack a nice big chunk of that off. Cut that up. Throw that in the bowl. Oh, I'm going to make a mess here, I think. Yep, made a mess. Right, okay, so what we'll do is cover this, but you don't want to cover all of it. You just want to mix it up a little bit. So you get a good ratio of each thing. You've got the sauce, the crab sticks, and the lettuce. There we go. Pop that to one side. Let's have a bit of a clear down now. It's a bit messy, isn't it? Right, so have a nice little clear down. Get yourself a nice tortilla wrap. Get some of that filling, put that in the middle, get a bit more, there we go. Now you want to squidge it out so you get a good ratio of everything there. You've got the sauce, put a bit of lettuce in the middle there to make it even, lovely. Right, so now you want to wrap this up nice and tightly. So you put one side like that, and 1 minute, I've forgotten something important. No.
Now, due to the lockdown and a minute with the coronavirus, etc., I'm unable to get what I usually put in there, which is little bacon bits, which are like bread flavoured bacon bits that you can get from Morrison's or wherever, and they usually taste quite nice. Hey, what will be will be. So I've had to get these little bad boys instead.
So we get ourselves 3 or 4 of these cheddar flavoured bacon cheddar bits here, crumbing them over. There we go, cover it all over. Lovely, get every bit off your fingers. Now we're ready to wrap this baby up. Tuck that in nice like that. There we go, nice and tight. Fold the bottom over. Look at that. Yum.
And there we have it, you lovely people. My smoky crab stick wraps. Nice and quick, refreshing. Give them a go. Really nice.